Hello Panthers, this is Dr. Hobbelt and I'm going to help you with this problem where we're looking at Noah's money again. So it says Noah has $5. Diego has 150% as much as Noah. How much does Diego have? So remember on that other problem about Noah, we actually thought about, well, how can I get access to this percentage that I want? So here we know what 100% is, right? That's $5 because 100% of Noah's money is $5. We're wondering what's 150%. So what's another percentage we could find that would help us solve this problem? So 150% is 3 groups of 50%. So let's try to think about Diego's money as being 3 groups of 50% of Noah's money. So what's 50% of Noah's money? If Noah's money is 100%, then by breaking into 50%, we've got 2 groups, right? Because there are 2 groups of 50% in 100%. So this is 50%, this is 50%. And Noah has $5 total. So how much money is in each of these groups if we have 2 equal groups that make $5? I'm going to zoom in just in case it's kind of hard to see. So this would be $2.50 each of these groups. And Diego has 3 of these groups. So Diego has 1, 2, 3 of these groups. So how much money does Diego have? Well, he has Noah's $5. That's right here in these first 2 groups. And then he has an extra $2.50. So Diego total has $7.50. We can see that from the tape diagram. So next, let's use a fraction to talk about the relationship between the money. So let's look at Noah's money. Noah's money consists of how many groups? He has 2 of those groups. So each little block represents 1/2 of Noah's money. How many of those groups of half of Noah's money does Diego have? He has 1, 2, 3 of those groups. So Diego has 3/2, or 1.5 times as much money as Noah. And I actually prefer the 3/2 approach here because later we're going to see a relationship in the next part. So you could put 3/2 here. Don't forget 3/2 is a fast way to type that. Or you could enter 1, put a space, and a half. Either of those will work. Don't forget to hit check answer so you can get credit for it. So now let's think about Noah has blank as much money as Diego. So look at Diego's money. How many of these groups does he have? Well, there are 3 of them that make up all of his money. So this is 1/3 of Diego's money. And how many of these little groups does Noah have? He has 2 of them. So Noah has 2/3 as much money as Diego. And I mentioned in the other video that relationship that's here. So 3/2 and 2/3. Do you remember what that relationship is called? It starts with an R. They're reciprocals. Okay, when you see fractions that are they look like the flip version of each other, those are reciprocals. Alright, so thanks so much for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.